Hi, my name is Saki. Today, we will be unboxing the Juniper AP64 access point. The Juniper AP64 series is a high-performance, ruggedized, and weather-resistant indoor and outdoor Wi-Fi 6E access point. It is Juniper's smallest ruggedized access point and features a 3-band configuration with 2 spatial streams. Let's get straight to the unboxing. First, you will find a link to your online quick startup guide. Next, we have the access point itself, which we'll explore in more detail shortly. Included in the box is a waterproof cable gland for your network cable installation and a set of flash mount bracket kits. Articulating mount brackets can be ordered separately. No other accessories are included. The flash mount bracket kits in the box include 2 hose clamps, bracket, 4 sets of M6 screws, washers, and lock washers, and 5 sets of anchors and screws, which allow the AP64 to be mounted on a wall and a pole. Let's have a closer look at the access point. The AP64 comes with a weather-resistant enclosure. On the bottom, you will find the Ethernet ports behind waterproof seals. This is the 2.5 gig multi-gigabit capable Ethernet port that can be used for data connectivity and power up the access point using PoE+. When installing the cable, you should thread it through the waterproof gland before connecting. You may need a licensed electrician or a cabler to terminate the cable prior to the installation. Behind this waterproof plastic cover, there's a reset button. You will need a size 10 Allen key to open it. At the back, you will find the grounding connector for properly earthing the device after installation. On the side, you will find the label with your MAC address, serial number, claim code, and the QR code. You can use the claim code to manually claim the access point in the Mist dashboard, or you can claim it using the Mist AI mobile app by scanning the QR code. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library at ainetworking.club and please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching.